Hey Sherry, I'm just recording this as a video because it may be easier to show you how to make this work if I just show it to you. What you're going to do is open Garageband and you'll be presented with this project selector. What you want to do is choose the movie option down here toward the bottom, and when you choose that, click choose. It's going to ask you to name it, and you'll notice it defaults saving it in the Garageband folder. I'm just going to call this Sherry Test. But you can name yours whatever you'd like. Once you do that, it's going to create that, and you'll notice it has a movie track here. We really don't care or need all that. What we're going to do is look over here in the media browser side, and you notice you control that in this lower area down here, which got the eyeball, the eye, and the media browser. These are important. Right now it's on media browser, which you can turn on and off, or if you click the eye, it's going to give us some other options in a moment that are going to be important. But for now, I need us to click on audio. Right up here toward the top, the audio button, audio, photos, and movies. So we'll click audio, and you'll see iTunes is one of your options. You have GarageBand and your music there, but it also sees your iTunes collection here. So if the triangle's collapsed, just go ahead and kick it, and you'll see all of your music if you click on the music icon or whatever playlist you might have your music in. So I'm going to scroll down here, and just for the heck of it, I'll pick Moonlighting by Al Jarreau. And I'm just going to take it and drag it up here. And you'll see it adds a new track called Moonlighting. And it's got the soundtrack right here in it. I'm just going to scoot it over a little to make it more fully fit. And you see we can scroll over. So what you're going to do now is back toward the bottom, click on we're choosing between the media selector, and click the eye. Okay, so we've got Moonlighting selected. It should be blue, and you've clicked on the eye down here, and it should be blue. And now what you've got are these two edits up here under Moonlighting in this right panel. You want to click on Edit. Okay, and you see the Edit tab gives us the ability to add effects. Okay, noise gate and compressor are already added. Don't worry about it. What you want is to click an empty box here. You see how they highlight? Click an empty box, and it's going to give you a whole list of effects that you can add. You want to scroll down and use the AU graphic EQ. Go ahead and add that, and you'll see it's got a blue light to indicate it that it's active. Okay, you want to click on Manual right here, so it's set for manual, and you notice how I roll over the icon and it changes. Go ahead and click right on that, and it opens up a complex looking graphic equalizer. What you're going to want to do, and well, because I'm recording my voice, I can't really record the song and show you how it would actually work, but you're going to want to pull down these middle frequencies. These are the ones where voice is most active. Okay, and you're just going to have to play with it while the song is playing until you can isolate the vocal areas. You're not going to be able to remove the voice altogether, but you should be able to remove the greatest portion of it. And it's going to vary in this middle range depending on if it's a female voice or a male voice. But if you play with these middle sliders and move them down until you can tell that it's moved, that it's lowered the voice, you should have what you want. Okay? So once you're finished with that, then you're going to go up here to File. Of course, you're going to save to make sure your work is not lost. And then you're going to go into the Share menu here. Okay? And what you want to do is just export it as a podcast to iTunes. And it's going to save it as a music file by whatever name you've given it to your iTunes music library. And then you can open up iTunes, search for that name, and there's your music ready to play. I hope this helps you. Good luck.